So I came in today, I saw this propped up on my dining room table. Ah, it's my degree, I think. I hope. I'm going to open this right now. Monumental moments. A long time coming. It's official! Good job, bitch. You fucking did it.
That was a disastrous start. But look at this.
Shut up! Some bubbly.
Oh my god.
It says haha. Already so greasy.
Gourmet camping meals.
Yeah, with some actual vegetables. Who are we?
I'm not feeling so cold.
You gotta be cold in the nighttime or you wanna be cold in the day? You gotta be cold in the day.
Same. So everyone, how was your first sleep?
It was actually okay. It's about
There's what?
my stretch.
I'm gonna wash my face with the water. It's super cold, so I will wake up. About to go into a Starbucks to work on finishing my exam. Oh my god, guys! It's been like 3 fucking years. Is this sriracha in the ketchup?
This is spicy. I mean, it's only $42. That was also Is that the sun left?
So I went grocery shopping today. It's not Christmas yet, but I'm gonna have some Christmas tea. So while my tea's brewing, I thought I would show you what I got from the grocery store today, because I'm excited. And then I'm gonna make dinner because it's 7:30 and I saw a Michelle Choi video, and she was eating Korean army stew soup, and I had a craving for it after watching her eat it. So this is the haul. I got a lot of veggies this time because I was quite depleted in my fridge, and I still have to organize my fridge. Got some carrots. These were only 2 for $3. Good steal. Eggplants, tomatoes, some sweet peppers, arugula. This was only $1, and it's probably gonna go bad soon, so I'm gonna have to use it quite quickly. But salads with that, with some maybe salmon or a combination of those. Some more romaine lettuce because I need it for sandwiches to bring to work. Knockoff Spam that I'm gonna use tonight. And this, I got this for $2. I thought it expired, but it doesn't expire until literally next year. So, like, look at that, $2. Oh, and then I got some of this local meat stuff. This sounds really good. And it was actually pretty affordable, like $5.50. Pretty good. That's the haul. Alright, time to put this all in the pot and eat it. I'm so hungry. Well, it doesn't look very pretty, but it does taste good.